We back with another monkey video. You saw the one I did with my stepsister. We're doing another one. It might not look this good because I'm recording off my brother's phone. But it don't matter, bro. It don't matter though. So we finna start screen recording in a minute. Hopefully, hopefully on the screen now.
United States. Oh man, what's up? Who's from the United States back here in Boston? What's up, man?
What's up?
What you got going on, bro? What you got going on, fool?
None for real.
Man, what team you supporting the NBA, nigga?
Why he looking at me like that? Yo. Forget cute thing too. Black screen. They skipping instantly. What the? What that dude flashing blickies, bro? Nah. Bro, what the? People are boring out here, bro.
Put our face in the camera. Put your dreads in the camera.
Nick from Rancid.
Yo, why you got me in the dark for?
What? Cause nigga, we hacking you right now. Chill.
We gotta ask you a question though. Don't skip.
What?
Oh, you from Rancid, ain't you?
You said
Alright,
what?
Did you get the IP? Did you get the IP?
Nah, bro, they gotta chill out. Yo, what you doing? I'm gonna get you on this monkey. I'm bored out of my mind.
How old you is?
I'm finna be 15. How old are you?
14.
Man, you look older than 14. I'm not gonna lie. And when your birthday?
February 18.
That's what's up. You born 2009? Type stuff. You got Instagram?
Yeah.
Alright, what's your Instagram?
Let me just put yours in.
She want me. She want me.
Alright, M-A-B.
M-A-B?
Yeah. I-N-G.
G?
G. The letter G at the end of the alphabet.
G?
G.
Z?
Yeah.
E?
Hold on, let me say it again. M-A-B-I-N-G.
He's saying G.
I said G, the end of the alphabet, the last letter of the alphabet.
No, he's saying G.
Hold on. Let me see. Oh man, hold on. Instead of the I, put an L. Instead of the I, put an L. I forgot. I put mine different.
Who? He said, he literally said I.
Yeah, I meant L. My fault.
Exactly. So get off my thing. Alright. Be a party. I'm about to follow you. I'm gonna text you.
Alright. W. Yo. What the? Bro. What you doing, bro? Bro. That boy moved his chest and stuff. Bro, what the?